Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading, Color Our World for July 15th, 2025, Part 1. My Blue is Happy by Jessica Young, illustrated by Katia Chien. My sister says that blue is sad, like a lonely song, but my blue is happy, like my favorite jeans and a splash in the pool on a hot day. Yellow is cheery, says my mom, like the summer sun, but my yellow is worried, like a wilting flower and a butterfly caught in a net. The boy next door says red is angry, like a dragon's burning breath, but my red is as brave as a fire truck and my superhero cape. Pink's my favorite, my best friend says. It's pretty, like a ballerina's tutu. But my pink is annoying, like an itchy bug bite, and gum that gets stuck to my shoe. Dad says brown is ordinary, like a plain paper bag, but my brown is special, like chocolate syrup, and a piece of earth that's just for me. Look, says Grandpa, green is young, like a small stem stretching toward the light. But my green is as old as the forest and the statue in the park. My cousin says that orange is fun, like a bouncing basketball. But my orange is serious, like a warning sign and a tiger on the prowl. Brr, Grandma says. Gray is cold, like the sky before a storm. But my gray is as cozy as a curled-up kitten and the sound of soft rain on the roof. Shh, says my brother. Black is scary, like shadows creeping across the wall. But my black is peaceful, like the still surface of a lake and the spaces between the stars. I guess colors are how you see them. And my blue is happy. The end. We're going to make a rainbow zebra that says our differences make us beautiful, because all the colors are important and all the colors are special to someone. So what you got is your Craft to Go kit, which is this zebra. It has these sticky stripes and all kinds of little sticky things. And what we're going to do is follow the directions that they give us. So the first thing we're going to do, these are the directions. And you want to make it look like the picture, so I'm using the picture from the website, which is on your Craft to Go kit instructions. And that should show you how to do it. The first thing it says to do is to tie your string on. So I popped out the little holes. We had to shove that through there, pull it through, and tie a knot. And we'll do that on the other side too. Alright, that's one side done. There's two sides. Okay, easy peasy. So we're going to put that up and out of the way. The next thing we're going to do is stick on the zebra's head. So we got to pull off the backing, kind of line it up. This is why you have to put on the string first. That's not perfectly centered, but close enough. That. I'm gonna put on the face next. Punch that out. And pull off the backing. And now my zebra has a nose and a mouth. Little half grin. And then we're gonna put on these stripes. So I'm following the picture again that came with the Craft to Go kit and lining them up in here. They should fit in, but the picture makes it easier to match the shapes because you know which color goes where. But if you want to mix it up, you can. It's your zebra. You can do it however you'd like. Do these purple ones. Glitter's coming off some of these. You might have a little bit of a mess after, but that's okay. Messes are fun. Until you have to clean them, that is. But that's okay. And these green ones are down here. The gold ones are next. And then finally, I'm gonna put the pink ones on. Now there's two sets of pink. One is for the ears. The longer ones are for the ears. So we're gonna just put the pink stripes in there. Sometimes it helps if you have nails, which I do not really usually have. There's one on that side and one on the other side. The last thing is this little sign, which you might not want it on there, but I do. That goes right on the bottom. Our differences are what make us beautiful. And we have this beautiful zebra, and that's all there is to it.